Welcome back to CarShift 2040, the channel where the future of driving meets timeless luxury and innovation. Today, we are diving deep into the top 10 luxury cars of 2026. These vehicles don't just move you from place to place. They redefine performance, technology, and elegance for the modern era. So, buckle up and let's take this ride together. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Number 1. 2026 Lexus LS. The 2026 Lexus LS reaffirms itself as a true luxury flagship. It's powered by a 3.5L twin-turbo V6 engine, producing an impressive 416 horsepower, paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. Inside, you're welcomed by semi-aniline leather, handcrafted wood trims, and a 12.3-inch infotainment system at the center. The Lexus Safety System Plus ensures unmatched driver assistance and safety. With a price between $80,000 and $85,000, the Lexus LS offers refined luxury, comfort, and craftsmanship standing tall against its German rivals. Number 2. 2026 BMW 3 Series. BMW brings a revolution with the 2026 3 Series inspired by the new E-Class concept. Its sleek kidney grille, sharper lines, and bold stance make it instantly recognizable. Inside, drivers are greeted with BMW's eDrive 9.0, a curved digital display, and an AI-powered head-up projection. Engine options include a 255 HP turbocharged four-cylinder, a 382 HP mild hybrid inline-six, and the first-ever fully electric i3 variant with over 350 miles of range, starting at $47,500. This 3 Series perfectly combines performance, elegance, and electrification. Number 3. 2026 Bentley Continental GT. The 2026 Continental GT represents the pinnacle of grand touring luxury. Its 4.0L twin-turbo V8 hybrid system generates 671 horsepower, while Speed and Mulliner trims unleash up to 771 horsepower. Acceleration: a breathtaking 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds with a top speed near 208 miles per hour. Yet it still delivers 50 miles of quiet electric driving for urban travel. Hand-stitched leather, exotic wood veneers, and an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission ensure the Continental GT remains a symbol of prestige. Prices start at $250,000, reaching $370,000 for fully loaded models. Number 4. The 2025 Audi A6 Avant redefines practicality with luxury. Its refreshed exterior showcases matrix LED headlights, a bold single-frame grille, and sharper lines. Powertrains include a 200 OHP turbocharged 2.0L petrol, a 2.0 LTDI diesel, and a 367 HP V6 with Quattro AWD+. A plug-in hybrid variant offers 62 miles of electric driving. Inside, the 14.5-inch touchscreen Bang & Olufsen sound system and 503L cargo space make it the perfect blend of daily practicality and luxury. Starting at €58,000, this Avant delivers versatility with German precision. Number 5. 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The 2026 E-Class evolves into a smarter, more connected executive sedan. Its exterior blends S-Class styling with futuristic EQ elements. Inside, the MBUX superscreen stretches across the dashboard, combining driver, infotainment, and passenger displays into one seamless panel. Performance comes from turbocharged 4- and 6-cylinder mild hybrids, along with a plug-in hybrid offering up to 60 miles of electric range, with a starting price of $63,000. The E-Class sets new benchmarks in technology, comfort, and semi-autonomous driving. Number 6. 2026 Mazda 6e. Mazda embraces the electric era with the 2026 Mazda 6e, a sleek 5-door fastback, powered by a 68.8 kilowatt-hours or 80 kilowatt-hours battery. It delivers up to 343 miles of range. Performance reaches 258 horsepower, with rear-wheel drive as standard. Its design highlights Kodo styling, flush handles, and modern LED accents. The interior features a 14.6-inch touchscreen, Sony 14-speaker audio, and minimalist luxury. This EV proves Mazda can blend emotion and efficiency, staying true to its heritage. Number 7. 2026 Maserati GranTurismo. The 2026 GranTurismo is a rebirth of Italian artistry. Available in Modena, Trofeo, and Fulgore trims, it ranges from 490 horsepower V6 to the 761 horsepower all-electric Fulgore. The Fulgore rockets 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.7 seconds, with 800 volts fast charging and 450 kilometers of range. Inside, expect Italian leather, carbon fiber accents, and a 12.3-inch infotainment system. Starting at $160,000, this GT blends timeless design and electrifying performance. Number 8. 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. The 2026 S-Class continues to dominate the luxury sedan world. Options include a 442 horsepower inline-six mild hybrid, a twin-turbo V8, and an AMG variant with 791 horsepower plug-in hybrid power. Inside, the MBUX Hyperscreen, massaging leather seats, and ambient lighting transform every drive into a first-class journey. Prices start at $118,900, with Maybach or AMG trims surpassing $150,000. This is the true definition of automotive royalty. Number 9. 2026 Maserati Levante. The 2026 Levante SUV combines Ferrari-built power with Italian luxury. Starting with a 375 horsepower mild hybrid inline-six, higher trims include a 572 horsepower twin-turbo V8. Its aggressive front grille, coupe-like roofline, and refreshed LED lights showcase Maserati's new design DNA. Inside, a 12.3-inch infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay, and hand-stitched leather deliver high-tech luxury. Expected to start at $100,000, the Levante remains a strong contender in performance SUV markets. Number 10. The 2026 Maybach S680 redefines opulence. Its 6.0L twin-turbo V12 produces 621 horsepower, ensuring a silky smooth ride. Signature details include the chrome waterfall grille, two-tone paint, and exclusive Maybach badging. Inside, it's pure luxury. Executive reclining rear seats, Burmeister 4D audio, OLED infotainment, and even a refrigerated champagne compartment. Prices start around $195,000, while the S680 begins at $235,000. The Maybach is less of a Courant, more of a five-star suite on wheels. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 10 luxury cars of 2026. Which one of these dream machines would you love to drive? Tell us in the comments below. Thanks for watching CarShift 2040. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible car reviews, futuristic concepts, and auto news. Until next time, keep dreaming big and keep shifting forward with CarShift 2040.